Meet Google. She's a nice and helpful girl as she helps people with any of their queries like this, or even this. But how is she able to find out exact information you are looking for from more than 2 billion of websites, having hundreds of billions of web pages present on the internet? Well, along with being helpful, she is the best organizer of the world's content. Even before you start typing the sentence in the Google search box, she has already created a library for all the information which you might be thinking for. But how does she manage to do that? She starts by sending out spiders to the World Wide Web to crawl over it. But wait, when I said spiders, did you imagine some creepy crawly creatures? Actually, these spiders are just the software programs, so they won't mind if you call them robots or bots or Google bots. They start with a few websites, read the web pages, and look for the links to other pages in the same website or links to the other websites. They not just visit the website, but read all the contents present there, including images. Google has made these spiders much smarter now, as they can know which pages are changed, which links are dead, which websites are new. Not just smart, these spiders are friendly as well, as you can even talk to them and tell them beforehand how to crawl your website by visiting Google Search Console. Or even you can request them to crawl your website again. Whatever web pages they find and decide to store in their library next, they keep on adding it to the list of pages to visit. It's much like a bucket list for the locations of their next vacation, except they visit those vacations within milliseconds or sometimes send some other spider to visit that next location. They visit from link to link to link until a major portion of the web is crawled. Once the spiders are done their work, Google starts indexing, which is a fancy word for organizing the information in a massive library, much like in a way as the index section at the end of a book, where the keywords are written along with the page numbers where they appear. So when the Google gets a search request, it knows exactly which page would be having the information you're looking for, which is why as you search for something, Google returns the search results within the fraction of a second, even suggests what you might be interested in while typing. Google needs massive storage space for this, because it will need to index hundreds of millions of gigabytes information. Not only does it read the text, but also reads millions of books present on the internet and indexes everything written in those books. So when you search for something, Google also fetches information from almost every book present on the internet, so that you don't have to search through the books looking for the information you need. Not only books, it also keeps up-to-date transit schedules, images, and a lot more stuff. So now, when everything is indexed, spitting out millions of search results as soon as someone searches is of no help, as the results in the first page may or may not be the information which you're looking for, which is why Google tries its best to keep those results the most relevant to you. And Google does it very appropriately by using its ranking system. The ranking system is a group of lot of algorithms which look at the search query and try to understand what you're looking for based on a few factors like your location, the words included in your search, all the indexed websites which have this information. Then it looks for how credible these websites are, what is the expertise of these resources, when was this information updated. Then weights are assigned to each of the results based on these factors. For instance, if you are searching about a developing news like the stimulus package being passed by the US government, then the latest published information makes better sense than an article written 3 months ago. Context is also a very important factor in showing the relevant search results. For instance, if you live in New York City and search for football, you will probably see the results about American football and New York City Football Club. But if you are in the UK, Google will rank the Premier League and soccer higher in the search results. Google also tries its best to understand what you mean when you search for something by verifying the spellings or looking for synonyms. Suppose, if you're searching for how to change a battery or how to change brightness in Windows 10, the algorithm knows that you mean how to replace a battery or how to adjust brightness in Windows 10. While showing the search results, Google also ranks the web pages higher which are links from credible and reputed websites, which are more usable, means how well they look on different browsers and on different types and sizes of devices like smartphones, PC and tablets. How well the website works for people having slow internet connection. These algorithms act as tiebreaker and rank more usable websites higher. A question which is very frequently asked is, can I pay Google to rank my website better? The answer is no. The only payments Google accepts is for the advertisements. Google always knew that the path to becoming the best search engine is by not just providing people with the most accurate results, but also in the way people want. For example, if someone is searching for weather, they don't want to see the links to the weather websites. They will more than appreciate to see weather forecasts right in the search results. So now you know how Google search works. If you find the information helpful, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.